Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the Infinix Note 12. So, when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm only starting from the simplest way, just simply restart Bluetooth connection. To do it, just open the top menu and switch it off, and switch it again. After that, you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and choose restart. A little bit obvious, I know, but sometimes it works. Okay, at the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated Pair Mode. How to activate Pair Mode you will find the manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case I have to click 3 times this button, sometimes you have to push the button for 5 seconds for example, you have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that you have a Pair Mode activated but you still don't see your Bluetooth accessory on the Bluetooth list, you can go to the settings and system. Now just look for the reset phone, and you can see there we have a reset Wi-Fi settings and Bluetooth is included here. So just tap on it and click reset settings, confirm your pattern, and that's it. Look for your device again after that. In the next step you can also try to update your system. To check if you have any updates, just open the My Phone and click on the not here, sorry, go to the settings and go to the system like before and go to the system updates, and if you have any update just download that and install. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other Bluetooth device to check which one gadget making a problem here, which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.